In this video, I will show you how to fix LG remote not working or not responding. So, a remote control may become unresponsive for many reasons, and the common reasons are battery issues, interference between the remote and the TV, and the remote not being registered to the TV. So, here are few things that you need to know. There are actually different solutions to different remotes. So if you're using the standard remote for your LG TV, you can go ahead and troubleshoot that by confirming your remote has good batteries, replace if necessary. And the second thing you can do is to ensure that the IR sensor on the TV has clear line of sight and there are not any objects blocking it. But if you're using a magic remote such as MR600, 650, 50A, MR18, 19, and 20, here are the things you can do to resolve the problem. So you need to confirm your remote has good batteries. If previously paired with the TV, they register the magic remote. So hold the home and back button together for 5 seconds and then turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone. Open the Bluetooth screen and select scan or search for a new device. Now press the OK button on the magic remote while looking at your smartphone Bluetooth menu, and then LGE MRXX should appear if the magic remote is outputting a Bluetooth signal. Now if the troubleshooting fails, the remote will need to be replaced. So you can go ahead and order a new remote if the problem isn't resolved yet despite doing all the things mentioned. If you're using an MR21 and 22 remote, what you can do to resolve the problem is to confirm your remote has good batteries. And if previously paired with TV, they register the magic remote. You can also turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and then open the Bluetooth screen and select scan or search for a new device. Press the OK button on the magic remote while looking at your smartphone's Bluetooth menu, and then LGE MRXX should appear if the magic remote is outputting a Bluetooth. So that is how you can also do that with the MR24 and 23 remotes. And that's basically how you can resolve that problem. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to our channel to keep updated with our latest videos. Now, don't forget to check out the links in the description for bonuses and resources we share with our viewers. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.